Good morning. In triangle ABC, they had provided you AP as a median. Then they had provided you this BC as 18 unit. They had provided you AB square plus AC square is equal to 260, and you have to find out this AP, which is a median. So at first try to understand that if AP is a median, then P is the midpoint of this side BC. As we learn in 9th standard that midpoint always makes two equal or congruent parts. That means that because of this midpoint P, BP and CP will come equal. It means BP is equal to CP. Now as BC is 18, it means BP will come as 9 unit and CP will come as 9 unit. So BP is equal to CP is equal to 9. At first I told them that in triangle ABC, AP is a median and BC is equal to 18 they had given. That's why when AP is median, it means P is a midpoint. Now BC will get divided into two equal parts. That means BP must be equal to CP, that will come as 9 unit. Now we will turn to Apollonius theorem. We will apply here Apollonius theorem for to find the AP median. So I will say by Apollonius theorem, AB square plus AC square is equal to twice AP square plus twice BP square. So by Apollonius theorem, AB square plus AC square is equal to twice AP square plus twice BP square. I will substitute the values which they had given, that AB square plus AC square they had provided 260. So I will substitute 260 is equal to twice AP square as it is, because I want to find out this median AP, plus BP just now we had find, that is 9. So 2 into 9 square. So 260 is equal to 2 into AP square plus 9 square will come as 81. It means 2 into 81. Okay. So 260 is equal to 2 AP square plus 281 will come as 162. Okay. So 260, and I will send this plus 162. I will shift this plus 162 to left hand side LHS, which is in RHS. I will shift it in LHS. So plus will become minus. So 260 minus 162 is equal to twice AP square. Now 260 minus 162 2 will come as 98 is equal to twice AP square. Okay. Now I will shift this 2 which is in RHS to LHS. Naturally multiplication will become division. So 98 upon 2 is equal to AP square. So that 2 ones are 2, 2 49s are 98. So 49 is equal to AP square. As I want to find out this median AP, I will take square root of it. So it will come as 7. So I got this median AP as 7 unit. Remember here we applied Apollonius theorem. That Apollonius theorem, how I applied? That AB square plus AC square is equal to twice AP square plus twice BP square. Okay, thank you.